Is it time? Yes, it is. Let's make everything neat and tidy. Clean up time. 1, 2, 3. Pick up the toys one by one. Cleaning up is lots of fun. On the floor, not anymore. Put them back where they were before. Stack the blocks, big and small, then put them back, one and all, in the box. Down they go. Clean them up, nice and slow. Find your books and stand them tall, on the shelf against the wall. One by one they go inside. No more places left to hide. Pick up clothes from the floor. Put them in the basket door. Shirts and socks, in they go. Nice and tidy, don't you know? Wipe the table, wipe it clean. Make it shiny, make it gleam. Round and round, nice and slow. Look how clean it is. Wow! Clean up, let's go. Put things back, nice and slow. Clean up, everyone. Cleaning up is fun, fun, fun. All clean now, clap your hands. Great job done across the land. See you next time. 1, 2, 3. Cleaning up is easy.